Good morning, everybody. I hope that you all are doing really well. We are, well, I am getting dressed. Good morning. Good morning. Ooh. Do you want to go on a bike ride? We'll have to get your helmet on. We'll have to get you dressed. Okay? You want to go on a bike ride? Carefully, Mommy's shoes are right there because you put them right there. You want to go on a bike ride? Huh? Huh? What? What's up there? Oh, he sees his helmet. Yes, we're going to go on a bike ride. It's actually quite hot, but it's going to be even hotter tomorrow. Okay, so now I need to get you some pants, maybe some shorts. Uh-huh. La 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 la. La 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 la. He loves his rocking chair. Oh, you can't see him because of the light. La 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 la. La 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 la. You love your rocking chair? Mommy and Papa painted it for your room when you were still in Mommy's belly. Do you remember? Say, no, Mom, I was too busy swimming. That is so sweet. Hi. Did Mommy catch you reading your books? You like your books? Oh. Yeah, we can look at that book together. Mommy's right now cooking your lunch. Okay. Callum has not had any nap today, so I'm just going to go ahead and prepare his lunch because it's already 11:40. Today Callum chose potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and onion for lunch. Callum's been going to town on his lunch. He's already eaten most of what was put on his plate, but now it's just sort of spread around. We have Callum's tumbling class today, but I'm debating not going because it's supposed to get pretty hot in the afternoon, and every time we go and it's hot, Callum whines and fusses and cries. It's just too hot for him. If it were cooler weather, we would definitely go, but with it being so hot, when he's doing these tumbling classes and it's hot, he's just really fussy and he doesn't want to do any of the activities that are set up. He just wants to fuss or sit in my arms or drink water. So, I don't know. And then at the same time, I'm also thinking if it's going to be really hot again for the next few days, I'm not really going to have the energy to do a lot of the laundry or pick up the house a lot or really clean things the way they need to be cleaned. And part of me kind of feels like I just need to stay home and do that stuff today so that when the weather hits, I'm not set back on everything, because that's what happened with the laundry. I just didn't do laundry because it was too hot to even run the washing machine. What are you doing? You laying on the ground? Well, you know how earlier I said I wasn't sure if we would go to his tumbling class? Well, Callum pretty much made that decision because he slept right through it. So we missed it, but I think it probably is for the best anyways because it's really hot outside and Callum would have been, I think it would have been a disaster. Roman has, he's got a business dinner kind of thing going on tonight, so he will not be home for dinner. Oh no, you better get off Papa's computer. Oh no. There you go. There you go. You playing with your cars? I was about to say toys. You playing with car? Yeah. That's your car. What sound does a car make? Oh. know if you can tell, but it's pretty clean in here. You hear the bell? Bing bong, bing bong. You want some dinner? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start serving your dinner, okay? Come on, let's get dinner. Just laying on the floor, playing with his cars. Yeah, you want some dinner? All right, let mommy get you your plate. I should have gotten your plate first. Come on. Let's see if he comes. Yeah, you want some food? Poor planning, Mom, poor planning, poor planning. Okay, we've got your plate. Yeah! Yay! Yay! Okay. Oh, come on. Out of the fridge. Out of the close. 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 Close the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. For dinner tonight, Callum's got a summer pasta salad. You ready to eat? Because it's hot outside, so it's a nice cool pasta. Yeah, I know, with your favorite. You've got some cucumber in it. He loves cucumber. Okay, you ready? Come. Yeah, come on. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. Oh, Mommy needs to move her computer. Okay, go to your seat. Yeah, good. Ooh. Okay, can you get up in your chair? And I need to get you a bib. Huh? Yeah. And here you go. Use your fork, son. You don't want pasta? There we go. Mmm. Is that good? Is that good? Mmm. Yeah, use your fork. Yeah, you got some. There you go. Look what's on your fork. Look, you've got some. That's too much. Here. Mmm. 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 Yeah, good. Good. You got some on your fork. Now eat. Callum and I are on another bike ride. We were bored at home, but now I'm starting to regret this because I'm so out of breath. Alto, alto, alto. We're just killing some time before we have to go home and give Callum his bath. So, yeah. Huh? Huh? Ooh. Callum. Huh? We're out here in the great wide open. Oh. It's hotter than I thought it would be, but luckily there's a nice breeze, so it's not complete torture. Hi. Hi. Somebody's swinging. Whoosh. Push. Push. Hi, Callum. Hi. Hi there, friends. Hi there, Callum. Hi. 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 La la. Callum's not going to bed. Callum is playing. He is playing on mommy's legs. Get your butt out of the screen. What are you doing? Whoop! Don't worry, guys. My leg is right here blocking him from actually hurting himself. Woo! Woo! Use all that energy up. Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Here you go. Here's another one. Yay! Woo! Woo! Come here. You're making it rain? Oh! You can't even stand up. Woo! Woo! Here's another one. Woo! Sometimes you just have to forget the rules and just have fun. Callum, here. Oh! You put a diaper on your head? Diaper head! Oh! Diaper, yeah. Woo! Whee! Woo! It smacked you in the face. I got Callum to sleep, and now I'm just waiting on Roman to get home. I hope he's having a good time. I'm sure he is. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and tune back in tomorrow for the next day. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!